In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Microsoft Teams before meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm your microphone and speakers are working, so you can join any call with confidence and without last-minute scrambling. Start by opening the Microsoft Teams app on your computer. This walkthrough applies to the desktop app on both Windows and Mac OS. Once Teams is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture or your initials if you haven't added a photo. Click that area to open a small menu. From that menu, choose Settings, then select Devices from the list on the left. This Devices section is where Teams lets you pick and fine-tune your audio hardware. You'll see drop-downs for speaker and microphone, along with visual indicators that move when Teams detects sound. If you're using a headset or external microphone, make sure the correct device is selected here before you test. Now, under Audio Settings on this same page, click Make a Test Call. Teams will bring up a brief automated test. Follow the prompt and speak naturally for a few seconds, just as you would in a real meeting. Say your name and a short sentence. This is a great moment to wear the same headset or use the same mic you plan to use in your meeting, so the results reflect your real setup. After you finish speaking, Teams will immediately play back your recording. Listen closely to the clarity and volume. If your voice sounds faint, check that the correct microphone is selected, and consider nudging the input volume if your system allows it. If you can't hear anything, verify the speaker drop-down is set to the device you're actually listening through, like your headset or external speakers. You can also glance at the audio level meters. If they're moving while you speak, Teams is detecting your mic. When the test ends, Teams will display results that confirm whether your audio worked. You'll also see which devices were used during the test. If something doesn't look right, simply switch the device from the drop-downs on this same page and run Make a Test Call again. It only takes a few seconds and can save you from awkward silences or echo during your real meeting. That's it. Open Teams, go to your Profile menu, Settings, then Devices, and use Make a Test Call to verify your microphone and speakers. Do this before important meetings, and you'll join every call ready to go.